Hi friends, welcome to Dhiksoochi. In this video, let us see what happened yesterday and also what you are going to expect on Monday. Okay, the title of this video is 100% capital protection. I hope you have understand why I have selected this title for this video. Yes, our intraday did not meet even any entry, so that we were unable to book the profit and we are at capital protection, rather losing even a single paisa in our intraday, right? So our 100% capital is protected out of the difficult situations happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty, because both were again down continuously on fourth day. We were able to protect our capital. That's what the highlight for the day. Now let us see what was happened yesterday. So what is the indices first? What was the indices? Nifty actually started with open price of 17,603. It was opened with gap down and tried to push up little, that is 17,707, and it is almost tried to book the day's high. But again it fell down. Finally it closed nearly to the open price, little above the open price, but still lost 139 points. Whereas Bank Nifty opened with 37,522. This also opened with gap down. It is pushed little up to 37,741 and went down even 37,224, almost 400 points it got lost. Still it slowly picked up in the last 10 minutes and booked little above the open price of the day, but still lost 276 points comparatively the day before. This is what Nifty and Bank Nifty. So out of these difficulties, means out of these downfall in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, we were able to protect our capital, because I suggested these 5 companies or stocks yesterday, and I was specifically mentioning please focus on Nifty before taking the trade on this. When come to this Canara Bank and State Bank of India, I asked you the Nifty of PSU also have to be understand. Public sector banks also have to be observed, right? Both are opened in downtrend, now gap down. Finally, no stock has hit our entry. That is also great, because even if with 50 paisa our entries get in, we were unable to book the profit. We were able to close the trade for the day with losses, but it was not happened. Okay, so Nippon Life Asset Management, we thought of taking entry at 362.5, but day's high itself 362.25. DLF 408, we thought of it, even nearer to our stop loss it got stopped, means not even touched our entry. It is 405 itself. The day's high is 405 itself. When come for Canara Bank, we thought of taking entry at 229. It even high is 226. Almost most of the stocks are closed with minus 3%. State Bank of India, we thought of taking entry at 512 and the day's high itself 507. Whereas Tata Steel 1211 and day's high is 1204. So we never get any entry, because the Nifty and Bank Nifty opened with gap down and we did not lose our capital, right? Now stock picks for intraday for Monday. Today we got a very good number of stocks for Monday. So out of 8, if we met even 3 to 5 also, it's more than enough for us to take the entry. So first, Cholamandalam Investment and Financing Limited. Let us take the entry at 656 and target is 4 rupees. Ashok Leyland 139.5 and target is 2 rupees and stop loss is 138. ICICI Bank, again, see, whenever I am talking about the bank, please check with the trend of Bank Nifty, especially the private banks. ICICI Bank, the entry is 811. You can keep target as 3. If Bank Nifty really is good, then even you can target for 820. If Bank Nifty is opened with gap up or it is in a positive trend, good swing, then you can go for 820 as your target price. And the stop loss is 809. JSW Energy entry you can take at 312.5 and your target is 320. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance you can take entry at 579 and your target is 3 rupees 582 and stop loss is 577. Then the next stock is Gujarat Gas Limited. 705 is your entry and target is 720. See, here we have 15 rupees as profit. But here some little conditions are applied that if Nifty, even though it is good, you need to check with some kind of stocks like NTPC, IOC, ONGC, such kind. So those are also in a positive trend. Then you can expect that this trend will go in a good swing. So you can target for 720. If not, please better restrict your target to 710 itself. 710 with 5 rupees profit. Whereas stop loss is 695. Then Godrej Industries Limited entry you can take 623 and your target is 632. Here 9 rupees profit you are expecting and stop loss is 617. Castrol India Limited 124 is your entry and target is 125.5 whereas stop loss is 123. So friends, here what I can tell you is for the last 4 days the Nifty and Bank Nifty were in downtrends, I can say. So if Monday opens with gap up, then this definitely will work out. And as per my understanding, as per my survey, Nifty is showing that it is going to give a positive movement on Monday. So hoping in that mind, so I am suggesting these stocks. Okay, in case if any doubt or any downtrend in the Nifty, better you can avoid the stocks which are having more target prices. Okay, that's what my suggestion for Monday is. Now let us see the short term investment review of last week and then we can go for the few short term investment for this week. So I suggested DLF and BL. I stressed in the previous video, last day video, saying that if at all the Nifty in a downtrend, better exit immediately. So that's what is happened. Almost the DLF days high is nearer to our stop loss. So I thought, I'm assuming that you might have exited from the trade. That's a good idea. Okay, and BL also, the stop loss actually we thought of 208, better you left it, you exit from the trade 211.65. okay, so even still if you are holding, that's up to your own risk, and if you get a good profit, then fine, I am so happy. Okay, now so better you can exit and you can take the new trades for the next week. Okay, now the stocks for short term investments are, first one is Hindustan Zinc and Biocon, second one is Biocon. So Hindustan Zinc, if at all the entry touches 330, then only you please take the target, and we are targeting for 20 rupees for this. Whereas Biocon, the entry we are expecting at 383, whereas our target is 411 rupees for this week. Okay, so I hope you can understand how the stocks can be exited for the short term. Also take the new stocks for the week. Now let us see the support and resistance of Friday's Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I always saying that whenever it opens with a gap down, then definitely the support is going to act as a resistance. So if you see in this, almost, it's not exactly but almost nearer to our suggested points, that is 17,616, 17,680, 17,720, 17,705. So this is how our research suggest and give some kind of a support and resistance level, whereas you can act upon based on that. Even you can take option trading based on this. When come for Bank Nifty, again here 37,770 was our first support we thought of, but it tried to take the support around 37,700. Even right. So this is how the support and resistance worked for us on Friday. Now let us see the support and resistance for Monday. So I am keeping almost the support and resistance of Nifty as whatever taken and acted at the levels for Nifty, that is 17,525 and 17,490 are the supports, and 17,700 and 17,780 are the resistance, whereas Bank Nifty 37,450 and 37,260, whereas resistance is 37,930 and 38,050. I wish you a very happy profitable day on Monday. Let us meet again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.